ABC English. Real teaching, real learning.
Hello, everyone. Do you know what month it is? That's right. It's December. Merry Christmas. Let's learn some vocabularies relevant to winter and Christmas. Follow me. Wow, the weather is snowy. It's very cold. But what is on the right? Let's see what they are. Everyone, he is my friend Olaf, and he is a snowman like me. Snowman. Snowman. He is a snowman. Look, the rabbit is Alice. She likes eating carrots, and she is my friend too. Look. Rabbit. Rabbit. She is a rabbit. Oh, guess who he is? His name is Cozy. He likes eating fish and swimming in cold water because he is a penguin. Oh. Penguin. Penguin. He is a penguin. Let's take a look at the village. It's so beautiful in the winter. And do you know, what is this? This is a pine tree, but we can call it a Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. It's a Christmas tree. Who's this? I know. Ha 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 ha. He is Santa Claus. I think he is riding his deer to give the good children presents. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. He is Santa Claus. Reindeer. Reindeer. It is a reindeer. Present. Present? They are presents. Christmas. Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Now, this is the quiz time. Try your best to get all the questions right. If you can do it, I will be very happy. Ho, 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 ho. Snowman. Penguin. Santa Claus. Reindeer. Rabbit. Present. Christmas tree. Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. Did you get all the questions right? I will be very happy if you did. Now please like, subscribe and follow for more. See you again, and Merry